Hello and good day, everyone. Tom here with another repair tip for your Kubota 1120 diesel. Is this red indicator coming on? Looks scary, doesn't it? This started coming on for me going up and down hills. Then it would go out when driving on level ground. It looked like a engine-related light. However, breathe a little easy. It likely just means your brake fluid is low. Let's walk into the classroom for just a minute. Welcome to the classroom. This won't take long at all. Here is a wiring diagram for our brake fluid level warning indicator. This is a very simple circuit. There is battery voltage going through this bulb anytime the key is on. That voltage goes down this wire to the brake fluid level switch located on the master cylinder. When the fluid is low, that switch will ground the circuit, therefore turning on the bulb. With that said, we'll do a simple inspection and test at the master cylinder. Now, let's head back out to the shop. Okay, let's pop the hood and look at the master cylinder. Well, looks like we found our issue. The brake fluid level is just below the minimum level. Adding brake fluid fixed the light. However, I better check and see if there are leaks. After all, this goes up and down rough trails in the woods almost daily. Well, there isn't anything leaking from the front brake lines. However, after raising the cargo bed and inspecting the driver's side, just down from the oil filter, I can see there has been a leak. Right in this spot. There is a union where the brake line comes together. It's not damaged. Looks like it is just going to need to be tightened. It's fixed. After thinking this could have been a powertrain warning light, what a relief to find out it just needed brake fluid and a line snugged up. Hey, would you do me a favor? If this video was helpful for you, will you take a split second to click like and subscribe? That helps us out a lot. God bless, folks. See you next time.